Hey everybody, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com, and we're going to take a brief look at the Kwikee 30 series electric step. This is a replacement for your existing step on your RV, so you probably already had this guy installed and something's happened to it. Maybe it got dented or rusted shut. It's just not working right. Maybe it's just getting rusty and just kind of squeaking, or something's happened where it's not working as it should. So this is going to give you a complete replacement of the step. It also comes with the motor and control unit already installed, so it's going to be those main components that actually operate this step. Pretty much the only thing that you need to do is just mount it to your RV. It doesn't come with the mounting hardware, so you will have to either reuse the existing hardware from before or pick up some new hardware on your own. It also does not come with the 4-wire harness that this connects into. It does have the plug, obviously, but if you need that 4-wire harness to fit in here, that is also sold separately, and you can find that here at etrailer.com using the part number listed on the product page here. So the nice thing about this step is that it will deploy out whenever you open the door and then come back in when you close that door. You should have a switch kit or a door sensor in your RV. It's just going to be these two little magnets right by the door frame, so it just senses when that door opens and closes and then sends the step out accordingly. There usually is also an override switch, so if you want to keep that step out all the time and override that open and close function, you can do that. It's especially nice when you're at the campsite or wherever you're going to be, or at your destination really, so you don't have to wait for that step to come out and come back in every time you open and close the door. There's a safety feature, so whenever you turn on the ignition in your RV, even if that step is in the out position, it will bring it back in automatically, so you don't have to worry about that step getting damaged while you're out on the road. Also, if the step comes out and happens to hit something solid, like a tree pole or a telephone pole or anything solid, a parking meter or wherever you might be, the step will stop and then come back in, so you don't have to worry about it trying to push through a concrete pylon or something and wear out that motor. So that is a safety feature with this step. Now, if you're not sure what series you had, if it was the 30 or something else from Kwikee, there should be a label either on the side plates or maybe underneath that you can see. It should show you which series it is, but if you're not sure, that sticker is missing, you can usually figure it out by doing some measurements. So I'm going to give you those measurements now so you can make sure that this is the right one for you. So this one is kind of a wider step, so that's kind of your first clue if this is going to work for you, and those measurements are for the extended height. That's going to be the distance from the top of the step to the bottommost portion, and whenever it's extended out like this, it's 12 inches. When it's all the way compacted up, that height is 7 5/8 of an inch. The overall width, are going from the widest point, which is this hinge pin on either side, that's 37 1/4 inch. The bolt pattern is 31 inches by 6 inches. There are a couple other holes, but those are going to be the widest most holes, and that's the main bolt pattern here. So just widest holes front to back, and also the widest holes side to side. Looks like there are actually some that are a little bit wider up here, but these guys are the ones to worry about. As far as the step size itself, it's 36 inches wide by 10 3/4 inches deep. We do have a couple other measurements listed on the product page, so if you want to see that more detailed list of the specs, you can find that right here at etrailer.com to make sure that you have all the information that you need. That's pretty much it as far as our quick look at the Kwikee 30 series step. I hope this has been helpful in deciding if this is the right step for you. That's always our goal here at etrailer.com, is to make sure that you get the right thing the first time. So I hope that this video has helped you to do that. I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.